Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use automation for email sequences in 2025. So if you want your subscribers to get the emails automatically after sign up, this is exactly how you can set it up the right way for better engagement and conversions. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come here on the dashboard of that particular tool which you are basically using. So currently for email, I have MailChimp. So if you are using the same tool, you just have to come here inside the dashboard. Here in the left hand side, you will have the option of automations. So once you click on it, it is going to ask you to choose a template. You can also dismiss this task. After that, you just have to scroll down a bit, and here by default it is going to give you some of the automations that you can basically click on and start using. Their most popular one is this, which is welcome new contact. So if I click on it and if I show you, it is going to basically help you to increase the engagement from the new subscribers. So the workflow is going to look something like this. So if you want to use this flow, simply click on the option of use this flow here on the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you can basically start using it. So I really liked this particular section for MailChimp. Now if you want to start it from the scratch, if you want to build it for yourself, you just have to click on the option of start from scratch. After that, you will have to give the name of your flow. Then simply click on the option of get started and select the starting point, which they have given you some of the options here. Like we want to use it for sending an email, so you will have to select it. After that, simply select your email campaign and then simply add a step. So here you can add a step. Over here you can just put the rules, you can wait for the trigger, add the delays, and then you can add the context exit. So once you have done that, you can continue here and you can start using your flow on your email. So this way you will be able to use automations for email sequences. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.